Hello, this is Jeannie Yu with VectorCAST, and I'm here to talk about probe points. In this video, I'm going to do a demonstration on how probe points can be used to count how many times a function is called and how to capture the value of a local variable. In my environment, I have some simple math functions under test, one of which calculates the greatest common denominator using recursions. Int find GCDR takes in two integer values and returns an integer value. What if I want to know, for my test case, how many recursions have occurred? Let's see if probe point can help me with that. I'm going to add a probe point to the beginning of the function. Enter these values. So I'm going to have a static int count r. We'll increment the count. And I will print out the recursion number as well as the integer passed in for that recursion. So for my first test case, I have 4, 58, and 24, and my expected value is 2. Let's execute it. Can see from standard out that I have a total of 3 recursions. In the first recursion, num1 is 458, num2 is 24. Second recursion, num1 is 24, num2 is 2. And the third recursion, 2 and 0. Let's try that also for test case 2, which has a much larger value for num1 and num2. For this time, we can see that the recursion occurs 7 times. And each time, the two integers become smaller and smaller until num2 is 0. Let's take a look at the execution report. You can see here also, we have expected value match. I hope this demo helped you visualize how to use probe points to capture data in your testing environment to make debugging quick and painless. Thank you very much for watching.